Hello, in this video, we will introduce the weighted graph class. We will define the weighted graph as a subtype of the graph class. The graph class was introduced in the preceding chapter. So these are the constructors for weighted graph, and this is the print weighted edge, and this is to add a weighted edge. And this is to get the minimum spanning tree, and this is to get the shortest path tree. So here is the implementation of the weighted graph as a subgraph of this graph. So all of this are here. And please pay attention to this, how you put the weights into the edges. So let's look at this, the add one edge. So let's look at the add the edge right here. So this is the add edge. You have U, V, W. Now, so here we're going to invoke this create edge. So create edge, you're going to create this new weighted edge. So that is in the preceding chapter, when you have a graph create edge, you created just one, this is the edge UV. But now you created weighted edge UVW. So this is weighted edge is a subtype of the edge. So that is perfectly fine. All right, so let's now write a test program to use weighted graph. So we have this is all the vertices and all the edges. And so now this is the number of the edges. Here we are going to have this is the vector of vertices. So we get the vector of vertices now from the array of vertices. And this is we're going to get the edge vector. So the edge vector, we're going to have all this weighted edge. So we're going to get all this weighted edge and push it back to edge vector. So all this weighted edge. And now we can create a graph one. So here is the number of vertices in graph one dot get size. I think that's the method. That's the function. And this is to get the size, return the number of vertices in graph one. So here's graph one, get vertex one and get the vertex at the index one. And this is graph one, get the index for vertex Miami. So now we have this print weighted edges. So this is another graph, and you create graph two and get the property from graph two. That is all for this section on the weighted graph. See you on the next video.